All right, let's get right into this. This is a small craft advisory that is up until 10 a.m. Thursday along the coast with a wind advisory on land. Wind is the main issue here, as we'll be watching for the ocean to get stirred up and the wind on land to get pretty gusty from time to time. Wave heights starting to increase a bit at around 3 to 4 feet, even up to 9 feet according to some of the buoys farther out towards sea, but some other areas not as active just yet. But we'll start seeing things get active as the winds pick up throughout the day. We have been watching clouds moving in from the west to the east, and even the last few frames seeing some precipitation. Some rain could be moving in today, possibly mixing with a little bit of snow, but a lot of that will start to back off later to the evening time frame, as it's really kind of a broken line riding along that warm front. So you can see that right about in there, tracking from the southwest going toward the north and east. So there's not a whole lot going with it, but a few rain showers possible today, mixing with a little bit of snow in a few areas. So we can see that development taking place. By tonight, though, the clouds break up further down to the south for the most part, with the rain staying further off towards the north. As we start things off for your Thursday, sunshine near Bangor, clouds farther off towards the north. We'll keep that going for a while with regards to some clearing in the sky, so everyone will have a chance to see some kind of sunshine throughout your Thursday before more clouds start to approach us. We head towards Thursday night into Friday. With look at this, a wintry mix possible with rain to the south, a wintry mix line along and north of Bangor, and snow in the northern ends of the state. And it'll look a little bit like this. So here's that dividing line. We have rain in some spots near Bangor and areas south, north of Bangor, that wintry mix line, and snow northern ends of the state. And now we'll start to get out of here as we head towards Friday afternoon into parts of Saturday at the latest. So it looks a little bit like this. So a little bit of rain on the way as we head towards today. Nothing too extreme, maybe a couple tenths of an inch if you're lucky. But really, as we head towards your Friday, that's when we'll get to watch for maybe up to a half an inch between now and Friday. So we'll have to keep an eye on that, though. And this also takes into account some of the snow that will fall, too, just measured with regards to water. But moving forward, though, around 3 to 6 inches near the Caribou area before we're all finished up. So we'll need to watch that closely. But notice further down to the south, we will not have to worry about much snow falling there. But across the state, some areas may have to watch for a little bit of ice as well. So northern parts of the state, again, may have to watch for maybe up to a tenth of an inch of ice. So a little bit of interesting weather on the way as it does develop. So your forecast for today, lower 40s, mostly cloudy with a few rain showers possible. South wind up to around 15 miles per hour. A few snowflakes cannot be ruled out. 37 degrees, partly cloudy with a few rain showers early. Notice the clouds breaking up later on. That south wind up to 15 miles per hour. And for tomorrow, partly cloudy, highs in the lower 50s, and that west wind getting up to about 25 miles per hour. Here's a look at your extended forecast. A wintry mix possible for your Friday with highs in the lower 40s early and then cooling off. And then by Saturday, lower 30s and a partly cloudy sky. Mostly cloudy Sunday, highs in the low 40s.